Welcome to back Autovexti, named Bugatti, has always stood for the absolute peak of automotive excellence. For more than a century, Bugatti has built cars that were not just fast, but beautiful, rare, and engineered like fine art. With the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, the brand enters an entirely new era, one that respects tradition while redefining the future of hypercars. But Tourbillon is not just a replacement for the Chiron, it is a philosophical shift. Where the Chiron was about brute force and quad-turbo dominance, the Tourbillon is about purity, precision, and timeless engineering. Even the name Tourbillon comes from the world of high-end mechanical watches, symbolizing complexity, perfection, and craftsmanship that lasts generations. Visually, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is breathtaking. Finished in an elegant brown and black color scheme, it combines warmth, luxury, and aggression in a way only Bugatti can achieve. The brown tone adds richness and exclusivity, while the black elements sharpen the car's hypercar personality. Under showroom lights, the paint reflects like polished marble, emphasizing every curve and aerodynamic channel. The front of the Tourbillon is instantly recognizable as Bugatti, yet completely new. The iconic horseshoe grille remains, but it is more sculpted and integrated into the body. Slim LED headlights with 4-element signatures give the car a futuristic expression. Large air intakes are carefully shaped to feed the massive engine and cooling systems, while maintaining elegance rather than raw aggression. From the side, the Tourbillon looks low, wide, and perfectly balanced. The famous Bugatti C-line is still present, flowing smoothly from the roof down into the side intakes. In the brown and black finish, this design line becomes even more dramatic, creating contrast and depth. Massive wheels fill the arches, hiding advanced carbon ceramic brakes. Designed to handle extreme speeds. The rear of the Tourbillon is pure automotive sculpture. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, giving the car a futuristic identity at night. The exhaust system is bold and central, emphasizing the power of the naturally aspirated V16 engine. Aerodynamic elements are seamlessly integrated, proving that function and beauty can coexist. Step inside the Bugatti Tourbillon, and the experience becomes even more extraordinary. The interior is not designed like a typical modern hypercar filled with screens. Instead, Bugatti focused on timeless mechanical beauty. Machined aluminum controls, skeletonized dials, and visible mechanical elements make the cabin feel like a luxury. Swiss timepiece. The brown and black interior theme perfectly complements the exterior. Rich brown leather covers the seats, dashboard, and door panels, while black accents add contrast and springiness. Every surface feels handcrafted, with attention to detail that goes beyond normal automotive standards. This is not just a car interior, it is an art installation. At the heart of the Tourbillon lies one of the most important engines in automotive history, a naturally aspirated V16, developed in collaboration with Cosworth. In a world moving toward turbocharging and downsizing, Bugatti made a bold decision. The V16 revs freely, delivers emotional sound, and connects the driver directly to the machine. This V16 is paired with an advanced hybrid system, adding electric power for instant torque and improved efficiency. Together, the system delivers breathtaking performance while reducing weight compared to the Chiron. The Tourbillon is lighter, more agile, and more responsive, proof that progress doesn't always mean more complexity. Performance figures are astonishing. Acceleration is violent yet controlled, with instant response from the electric motors and a screaming V16 soundtrack that defines a new era of hypercar emotion. Top speed remains in the realm of legends, but Bugatti is clear. The Tourbillon is not just about numbers. It's about how the car feels, sounds, and connects with the driver. What truly sets the Bugatti Tourbillon apart is its philosophy of longevity. Bugatti designed this car to feel special, not just today, but 50 years from now. That's why physical controls were prioritized over touchscreens, and mechanical beauty was chosen over digital trends. This is a hypercar built for collectors, historians, and enthusiasts. In the hypercar world, competitors come and go, but Bugatti exists in a category of its own. The Tourbillon is not chasing rivals, it is setting a new standard. It blends old-world craftsmanship with future technology in a way no other manufacturer dares to attempt. The brown and black color combination further enhances the Tourbillon's exclusivity. It feels mature, sophisticated, and timeless. This is a car for those who understand luxury beyond flash and essay, statement of taste and appreciation for engineering excellence.